Today you'll take the daily oral language quiz number 12 for language arts. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. The first section asks you to correct some sentences. Remember, what will be graded is the sentence that you write. Number 1. Jan said, "Please don't forget to pick up the cake for Whitney when you left the office." 2. This old wedding photo of your grandparents is more pretty than I expected. 3. They do all the work in the garden themselves, even though it's extreme difficult. 4, you need to complete the sentence with who, which, or that. Walt Whitman is the poet blank wrote Song of Myself. For number 5, you need to circle the object of the underlined preposition. The preposition that's underlined in this sentence is at. The play's dress rehearsal will be held at the Memorial Theatre in Manchester. For number 6, you need to circle the subject of the sentence. After the prom, meet us at the midnight breakfast at Will's house. Is the subject you, it, we, or he? For number 7, you need to write the plural form of this noun. The noun is species.